I'm Hilmi Johandi. I'm an artist. I work primarily with painting. I'm building a sculptural installation titled Statecraft after Theatre Royal. Theatre Royal is a building that used to exist where Raffles Hospital is. So it used to be a space that housed performances like Bangsawan, which is also known as Malay Opera. One of the significant elements is the fact that it looks like a stage prop. You can see that the architectural facade is miniaturized. The sculptural installation you can find at the lawn of Malay Heritage Centre, and it will be shown from 15 March onwards.
Hi, I'm Divagaar and I'm a visual artist who works with installation art. The artwork that I'm presenting entitled Kadai, which translated to English means shop. When I was looking into the area of Little India, what stuck out to me was that the area had traditional appearance and aesthetic stuck within this time. But that's also its appeal, which was very interesting to me. When I was much younger, I guess Little India would be the place that we would go to get everything traditional, whether it's flowers for prayers or traditional clothes. I mean, Little India is the first place to go to. Kadai will be exhibited at the Indian Heritage Centre from now until 15th of April.